Do you want that butterfly flexibility, but your hips feel more like a tight cocoon? You're in the right place. This stretch targets those tight hips and groin. If you haven't heard of it before, it's called the butterfly, and this is how you do it. First, you're going to sit down, feet out. Connect your feet and bring your feet in as close as you can. Take your hands and put pressure on either side, pushing your knees as far to the ground as you can. Hold that for around 30 seconds. Try your best to bring your feet into your body as close as possible. As your knees come up, you want to put pressure to bring them down to the ground. If you can get your knees all the way down to the ground, the last step is to bring your chest down to your feet. Add this to your stretching routine to open up your hips and stretch out your groin. Your body will thank you. Don't forget to send this to someone who also wants to be one with the butterflies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Oh yeah.